SVL75-2. We just put brand new tracks on it. We cleaned it up, touched it up. It's got a new bucket on it, new tracks. It's got a hydraulic disconnect. It is a high flow machine. Closed cab, air conditioning, heat. Very straight machine, looks very nice. Bucket on it, hydraulic disconnect. It's a high flow machine. Enclosed cab, air conditioning, heat. It's got the key powder tracks. Open up that rear door if you would, sir. This does have a radio in it, Bluetooth radio. Very clean inside. Tracks and sprockets on it. Disconnect. It is a high flow machine with case string. Enclosed cab, air conditioning, heat. It's got a radio. It's got a backup camera on it. Oh. Here's the top of it. $2,469 hours. Foot throttle. Again, hydraulic disconnect. Backup camera, it works. Air conditioning, heat. It's got the radio. I think it's got a cracked windshield, but I think, oh, it's plexiglass. Yeah. We're going to put a new glass in it because it's cracked. It's late model. It's got the late model controls on it, and again, it's got your backup camera. It's got everything you can have on it: high flow, backup camera, radio, hydraulic disconnect, new tracks. It's only got 2,467 hours. You can see that here.